So I got a few good 6x6 solves using Yau at home, so I decided to make an example solve video, because maybe there are a few good solutions. The scramble will be in the description. Okay, I see white first as my center, as my first center. I can already see two bars really easily, because I can connect this 2R1 right here in this position, which brings up this piece that gets connected to this corner center piece, which fits perfectly in this position. And I can use this piece and this piece to create a middle bar, like the other middle bar with the other pieces in the back. So yeah, I just do that. And to not destroy these pieces, I do an insert like this. I just connect them like so. Then I just connect the other pieces and insert it to the left. Now I do a yellow middle bar like this with this piece and these three pieces like this. And then I just do an outer bar. And then I connect pieces to create another middle bar. Then I just connect the other pieces to create the last outer bar. And my first cross edge will be orange, because here are two pieces. Here's a piece and here's a piece. So I can do like this to connect all pieces, and then I do green because I always see all four pieces. I can solve it like this. And because I saw this red center, edge piece, I will do red next, like this. And with the other piece right here, I can finish that off. Then I do orange. I do two middle bars in this scenario, because I see a 2x2 right here and a 2x1 right here. And yeah, I just connect them. And because I just saw I was in this position and I wanted to put to the left, so I can insert the last 2x2 to the right. I saw this 2x1, which can be connected right here, which is a little bit easier, like so. And because this piece can be connected right here, I will connect it to this piece, like so. And then I will use these two corner center pieces to create a 3x4 like this. And when I did this, I saw this 2x1, which can be connected right here. So I need to keep this in mind. Then I just connect the last orange pieces like this. And then I just do my last two bars on blue like this. I just connect them to create a bar and then insert them. And then I just do my last blue bar like this. Yeah. Then I do orange. I can do a 3x4 block like so. And then use this piece to connect it right here to finish off the block. then I see this 301 on orange, which I will preserve because I can use it later. And then I just do my last bar like this. I don't know if that's the most efficient option, but it's quite good. And then I do blue and white as my last cross piece, which is right here, 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 and here. And as you can see, I would need to flip this one. So I just insert this piece to the left. So I can save that flip like a few moves. Then I insert this right here. Because they have the same orientation, I will not insert this 3-1 block like so, because then I would need to rotate again. But I will insert this lonely piece right here, push that to the side, and insert them. Next I will do orange and green, which are right here, here and here. So I just insert them, and I will need to flip this anyways, so I just insert this into the back. And now I see I have 3 green and yellow pieces right here, and other pieces here. So when I just flip this one, I will need to use F moves to connect or to insert this into the front. But if I put that piece into the front upper slot right here and flip, it gets also flipped. So I can insert this with new moves. And in this case, I will never do like a divide move and a 3 divide, because I don't gain as much information of piece in the back. I will always do a 3 U white prime, so I can see these 2 edge pieces in the back, which leads to my next edge being red and yellow right here, 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 and here. So I just insert, connect the pieces, flip, and that's it. And now I see there are 2 pieces of the same edge on one edge slot. So I will search for the other pieces for this edge, which are here and here. So what I will do is I will put out that edge to the top that doesn't have edge pieces for that specific edge, which is blue and orange. Here, here, and here, they all have the same orientation. So I just insert this into the back like this. So it also has the same orientation, and I can put out the other edge to the top. Then I just connect our pieces like this. And now I have a slice case right here, which the other piece is in the back. And now I notice when I flip this one, the blue and yellow piece gets in this position. So I would need to flip one of these pieces, which is what I will do right here. But in this case, I would need to flip another edge again, which I will do like this, with an R prime F, U prime, F prime R, and then I just flip, slice here. Then just continue with F2L and last layer. Yeah. Okay, so the next scramble. Yeah. So what I immediately notice is the yellow bar, which is really cool. and these pieces that can be connected to a middle bar. So my plan is to create a yellow T with these two middle bars that I can create, and this corner centerpiece. So I can connect this 2x1 bar, like, yeah, a small bar, to that T to create 3, like here, 3 bars like this. Then just connect the other pieces like this. I move this out of the way because it has the other piece which I need. So I just do that. Then I will just create a middle bar. In this case, I see 3 pieces for that, right, like so. Then I look to the top and I see the other piece, like so. Then I can create an outer bar with these two corner centerpieces and this 2x1, like so. And then I will create a middle bar again with these pieces, and this one. And then I just create the last outer bar. And because here are 3 orange and white edge pieces, I will do a white cross first. I will do white cross. Like this, I just connect the pieces. And here are the other ones. Like so. Then I will do red because here are 3 pieces, here and here. And here's the other one. So I can do it like this. Then my next center will be blue because I see 2 301s. So my initial plan is to do a 3x3 block and then connect that 3x1 bar to that, which is probably not what people usually do, but in this case I see it's easier to just do a 2x4 block like this and create a bar after, which I do like this with the other pieces as I saw. And now I don't see any blue piece right here, so it must be in the bottom. So I just do a few 5R white moves to just flip the whole cube around. And then I connect the other pieces like so. Oops. And now I see a lot of white pieces, so white will be my next center. I can connect this 2x1 right here and then create a 2x4 this way, like this. Then I do a middle bar, which I see right here. Then I do, because like you can see, the white center must be here for the color scheme to be correct. So I just do a 3R white like this, 3R white 2, a U, then a 5R white, and another 3R white 2 after, like this, to put these 2 red bars that I made in the wrong spot to the correct spot. Then I just finish my last bar like this. And as you saw before, this 301 was connected right here to create a good block. So when I slice back, I'll put this 301 again right here, so I can save a few moves because it should be there anyways. Then I use this 2x1 to connect it right here, and then I just connect my last center pieces like so, and then just do last bar like this. Then my last cross edge pieces are here, here, and probably here. So I just slice like this, and I was correct. And then I insert this to the bottom. But before that, because I can look ahead, my next edge will be blue and red, and pieces are right here, here, and here. This is not in the correct orientation for that one, because like this, they are not correct. So when I insert this one, this, like the cross edge into the bottom, this edge piece would come in this position. So I would need to flip this anyways. So I just do a U prime. So the edge with the correct orientation gets put in this position when I insert the cross edge, like so. I can do a back insert with this one. So I connect these pieces with a for U prime, connect them in the back, and my next piece, or like put this in the back, and my next my next edge pair will be green and yellow right here. I just connect them, flip, and after that my pair will be blue and yellow, because here's a piece here, and here's a piece, and here's a piece. So I just do that, and after that my next pair will be green and orange, because as you saw here, before I connected all blue and yellow pieces, here's a piece, here's a piece, here and here's a piece. So I just connect them all like this and finish it off. Next, my first pair of my lasso edges will be orange and yellow, because it's just a simple slice like this. And because I see here are two green pieces and here are two green pieces and there's no other edge with green pieces, I can basically, when I flip this one like so, I can do a U right and flip this, so I can cancel into slice, which is really cool. And then I just do this slice and the last for edge algorithm like this. Then just 3 Okay, now the next scramble. So what I see immediately is white. With two options, I can create two middle bars right here, either like this or like this, or I can create an outer bar with these pieces and then a middle bar with this piece and one of these pieces with this one, or yeah. So I just do like this. So usually you can start like this, but then this piece is trapped. So I do this slice first, and then I do that. So then I can finish off that bar easily. Then I do my next white bar like this. Then I just connect my last white pieces, which are here and here, like this. Then my next yellow bar will be a middle bar with these pieces. Oops. And this one. After that I will create another middle bar with this one and this piece, like this. And now I see an opportunity to create a T, which makes my centers a little bit easier. So I just connect two middle centerpieces, or like oblique centerpiece, I don't know what it's called exactly, to just create 3x1, 3x4, and then I just connect my last yellow pieces like this. Then my first cross edge will be blue and white because I see piece right here and here. So I just connect them like this. Then I do red and white because I see 3 pieces right here. And now the other piece appeared, so I just connect them like this. Then I do green because there are 3 pieces right here. Then here's the other piece, so I just do it like this. And then I do 2 red bars, which is really easy. I can also create a T. Oops. Yeah, I can also create a T like this. Right here. Like this. Then I just need to search again for that outer 2x2, 2x1, which I can create right here with this one. Or I can do it like this. Or I can do like this. Anyways, I just create a 2x2, 2x1, and connect a T to 3 or 4. Then just connect all my other pieces, like so. And after that I will probably do a blue center right here, because I can connect pieces like this, because it preserves that outer bar. And then I do the other middle bar for blue, like this. And the other blue piece that is right here must be here in the back, so I can just slice without looking, because the only places this piece can be right here is right here and here. So this piece must be correct. And then I just slice and insert like this. Now I put the blue centers to the left side, and I just connect the last pieces like so. And then I do orange like this. I see this bar, and I can connect these pieces like so, and then do this like so. Oops. Like so. So I can save a commutator. And now I notice these are in the correct position, but those are not. So I just flip, I just switch those centers. Now I notice all my cross edge pieces are on one face, so it doesn't matter how I turn it. One cross edge will always be in the bottom when I flip over to do my edge pairing, so I will put this one out of the way, and the U2, so no cross edges in the bottom. And then I just connect those cross edge pieces like so. And my first edge will be blue and red, because here are 2 pieces, here's a piece and here's a piece. And when I insert this cross edge, this piece will come down right here and stay there, which is really cool, like so. And after the blue and red edge, I will probably do red and green right here, because here are also 2 pieces and those are in the correct orientation. So I do like this. Then I insert these pieces and connect them. After that I will do blue and yellow, because here's a piece and here are 2 pieces. And here's the other, here's the other piece, like so. And when I connected these pieces, the blue and yellow middle pieces, I saw that those orange and yellow pieces get connected. So this is the edge I do after that. Then I just reline all my centers, and I noticed that those 2 green and orange edge pieces are connected together in one edge. So I can take one edge out and cycle the other pieces together to finish off that edge. I will look in the back to see if this is the correct orange and green edge, which is correct. So I take this edge out, like so. I keep in mind which edge piece gets connected right here when I slice back, which is this one. So I flip, like I rotate like this and put this to the upper front slot. So when I flip, I can flip this one as well. And this gets connected to the back, like this. And now I notice this green and yellow cycle case. And after that, when I cycle it with this piece, this edge piece is going to come here, but flipped. So I can, after that cycle, cancel into slice with slice for the red and yellow edge, like this. Yeah, and then it's done. Then just do my third piece stage, like this. Without parity, which is cool.